आज हम लोग देखेंगे Earl of Surrey, Earl of Surrey 1517 into 1547. The real name of Surrey is Henry Howard. He was the disciple of Thomas Watt. The real name of Henry Howard. He was the disciple of Thomas Watt. He was a brave soldier who served in Henry VIII French War as Lieutenant General of the King on Sea and Land. He became Earl of Surrey in 1524 when his grandfather died, and his father became Duke of Norfolk. In 1536, Surrey also served with his father against the Pilgrimage of Grace Rebellion, protesting against the dissolution of the monasteries by King Henry VIII. Surrey was the first English poet to publish in blank verse. Surrey जो है was first English poet to publish in blank verse, unrhymed iambic pentameter. In his translation of the second and fourth book of Virgil Aeneid, together with what the translated Petrarchan sonnet and hence known as fathers of English sonnets. Rather, what introduced sonnet into English, but it was Surrey who gave them the rhyming matter and the division into quatrains that now characterize the sonnet as Shakespearean sonnet or English sonnet or Elizabethan sonnet. Henry VIII was suffering of psychotic disorder. Henry VIII was suffering of psychotic disorder, paranoia, paranoia, and he relied that Surrey is planning to usurp the crown from his son Edward VI. So he imprisoned Surrey and his father and sentenced to death. Surrey was beheaded on 13 January 1547, but his father survived. He was married to Frances de Vere. Surrey was portrayed by an actor David O'Hara in The Tudors, a television series that ran from 2007 to 2010. Surrey's sonnets were addressed to Gary Surrey's sonnets were addressed to Gary. The structure of English sonnets, which was founded by Surrey, has three quatrain and a couplet having the rhyme scheme AB AB CD CD EF EF GG. It is also called Shakespearean sonnet. Okay, हम लोग देख लें अर्ल ऑफ सॉरे. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.